Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb pick up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb pick up is to get better or stronger, to improve. Sales have plummeted for the company. We're over the worst of it. Things usually start to pick up when the new season starts. At the meeting, the manager breaks the good news. I want to congratulate you all on having such a successful month. Our sales have picked up by 25%. The weather is changing at the beach. The wind has picked up. I think it's time to head home. Meaning two of pick up is to start again, to continue. The teacher didn't get to finish the lesson in time yesterday, so they go back to it today. Okay, let's pick up from where we left off. The meeting got interrupted. Afterwards, the manager gets back on point. Let's pick it back up. Where was I? Meaning three of pick up is to put things away and make things neat, especially for somebody else. The woman is getting tired of cleaning. It seems like all I ever do around here is pick up after everybody else. The children left the classroom in a mess. I have to pick up after the kids again. This changes tomorrow. Meaning four of pick up is to answer a phone. The woman frantically makes the phone call, but nobody seems to be answering. Come on, pick up, for crying out loud. The call center agent attempts to call a customer back. I have a great deal for them. I hope they pick up. Meaning five of pick up is to collect someone in a car, usually someone who is waiting. This meaning is used in quite a lot of different variations. The taxi driver waits for a fare. I just wait at the rank to pick someone up. The rank is my bread and butter. The client waits at the airport. The company told me a limo would be here to pick me up. The man confirms the time for the date over the phone with his girlfriend. I'll pick you up at 8 p.m., baby. The bus arrives at the stop to take on more passengers. They probably won't be able to pick everyone up before they are full. The stranded climbers got rescued by the helicopter. Thanks for picking us up. I don't know how much longer we could have stayed up there. Meaning six of pick up is to chat with people with the intent of having an intimate relationship with them. They just arrived at the club. I love going to nightclubs. I'm always on the lookout to pick someone up. The single guy is starting to feel lonely. I really hope I pick a girl up tonight. I've been single for too long. Meaning seven of pick up is to make someone feel better. The woman is feeling upset since her breakup. Her friend tries to cheer her up. I think you should come out with us tonight. It will pick you up. Trust me. He didn't sleep well and is still tired since he arrived at work. His colleague suggests, "Take some of this coffee. It'll pick you up in no time." Meaning 8 of pick up is to get information or a skill by chance, rather than making a deliberate effort. This is also heard in relation to retrieving something and can be heard in different variations. The woman tells her family what it was like when she traveled the world. "I picked up the basics of a few different languages." While the couple were cooking, one of them puts a spin on the recipe. "Here's a tip I picked up from my mother." The scientists are successful with their research. Our results allowed us to pick up on early signs of the disease. They got the old radio working. I never thought it would work, but it picked up a couple of stations. The shoppers are very happy on Black Friday. I picked up loads of bargains today. The lion is looking for its next meal. I think it has picked up the scent of a gazelle. So let's look back on what we covered. Pick up can mean to get better or stronger, to improve. The book picked up a quarter way through. It's a slow burner. To start again, to continue. The theme of the first chapter is picked back up towards the end. To put things away and make things neat, especially for somebody else. He picks up after his wife. She can be so lazy. To answer a phone. He called the phone 10 times. Eventually, someone picked up. To collect someone in a car, usually someone who is waiting. I'll pick you up an hour before we need to get there. To chat with people with the intent of having an intimate relationship with them. She picked up a new guy to help her get over her ex. It didn't help. To make someone feel better. I hope these flowers pick you up a bit. To get information or a skill by chance, rather than by making a deliberate effort. She picked up a lot of tips as a barmaid tonight. Where did you hear the phrasal verb pick up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.